Alright, so it's very important to differentiate between, like, for example, a supporter, investor, trader. Okay, what's a supporter? If you're holderless, and then you never look at fundamentals, especially for altcoins, you're just a supporter of the project. You're not an investor. Alright? So it's always very good, very important to look at the business model if you're looking at altcoins, ICOs, and all that kind of thing. But today we are focused more on investing and more on trading, in fact. Okay, trading or investment. So let's see how you can place yourself, you can identify. The first one is buy and hold without carrying day-to-day fluctuations. The hodlers. Basically, are more for long-term investment. You buy and hold a core position at or major dips. People who believe every dip buying opportunity. So can anyone here, every time it drops below 6,005, you buy to accumulate? Or don't dare, stay off, stay off. Never mind. Okay, so number 3, buy certain amount every week. It's more like dollar cost averaging. Okay, today I'm going to share a bit more is on trade price movement, stop loss, targets, strict risk management. Okay, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, what's the basic difference between trading and investing? Okay, I'll give you permission, you can take a picture of this. Okay, basically for traders, we want to look at volatility. The more volatile it is, the better for me. Because anyway, I can long or short, I can make money in both directions. For investment, sadly, they only can make money in one direction. The price needs to go up, then they can make money. So whether to choose be a trader or investing, I'd rather be a trader. Okay, this is the more detailed differences. I won't elaborate further. Okay, but basically, as a trader, if crypto declines, what will I do? I will cut my loss. I can use my trading stop loss to make sure there's a threshold level I'm willing to take, the risk I'm going to take before I cut loss. Okay, but investing is the opposite mindset. Potentially, I will buy more because I want a dollar cost average. Okay, just any asset class. Okay, the right mindset for new traders, if you're new, learn the ropes first, right? Before trying, testing all the different settings. Know what you're looking into and know what's your trading plan first. So what's your action plan? For me, I always tell traders, we are like entrepreneurs every day. Okay, we are excited, this is hard, I mess up, probably I lose money, etc. So when you're trading, think like an entrepreneur. I want to take a certain risk. Okay, I need to start with a trading account. I need to do my homework. Okay, which day or which part of the day I want to set aside time to trade. You need to be like an entrepreneur. Okay, what's your trading style? Intra-day, swing positioner. You look at different trend charts. So for example, if you are a positioner, long-term investor, no point looking at your hourly, daily charts. You should just look at your weekly charts, right? Because don't let emotional take over you. In fact, it's just business as usual for weekly charts. Entry chart, you go by daily. Holding time a few weeks. This is a long-term investor. Swing, daily entry on 4 hour. So if you're looking at the settings within, you're looking at the charting within Liquid platform, look at daily first. Then go down to 4 hour for your entry. So hold a few days. For intraday, it's a bit different.